Okay, here's my backyard. That's the first tree. This is right at my backyard. Hopefully you can see the others. This is my bedroom window. And my head. Let me just show you me. I'm really close to my head. That one goes out front. It came up through the roots. Any one of these could have zigged instead of zagged and gotten me. This side of the yard is okay. That's my generator in the background. Can't show you the front because I'm locked in. But there were two humongous trees across my driveway. They spent the last 3 days trying to cut them down. So, yeah, we almost didn't make it. The hurricane went right over top of us. The second half after the eye of the storm went past was the worst. Again, there's my bedroom. So you almost lost us. But God had his hand held over my house, obviously. I hope you get this video. There's already 22 dead. But we're still alive. So I hope you get this. Love you.